I think there's a group of people who would not have their first home were it not for the Whai Rawa initiative.
What I think is important is that there is a way to protect your equity, and that goes into something meaningful that the family can benefit from.
I don't like the concept of just renting and giving my money to someone else. I'd like something at the end of it. So I think home ownership is important.
Well, my name's Vanessa and I live in Dunedin. I whakapapa to whiu marae, but really feel quite a strong connection to Otago because, of course, that's where I've spent most of my time. I've got 2 kids and a husband who are all born and raised in Dunedin, and I work as an art consultant at Milford Galleries. So what do you think that is?
I don't know.
My job is really to match the right work to the right person and to help people with their art collections. To date, I've used Whaiwara to get our deposit for our house. So we've bought our own house here in Dunedin. So it was just about the time when quite big deposits came in, and we wouldn't have actually been able to get our house if we didn't have that deposit. So yeah, it was actually really fundamental in us being able to buy our first home.
In an environment like Otago, where housing is still reasonably affordable, and that people can put their own money in at a modest level to own their own home, then it makes a lot of sense.
Most people said, if a part of the New Zealand dream is owning your own home, then we would like it to be that Ngāi Tahu people in the future are able realistically to pursue that dream.
It's absolutely awesome. It's been great. It's been a really good journey. We've been able to change it to the way that we really want it and be creative, and yeah, and watching the kids grow up in their own house is awesome.
If I can make the choice about when I'm going to put a deposit on my house because I have it in the bank, then that's success.